Hello friends, in this video presentation, we are going to discuss responsibility of employee with respect to COVID-19. We can win on COVID-19 together. This video tells you about responsibility of one and all as an employee. Contents of this training have been developed for awareness purpose. Safety professional working with industries have put their time and effort for development of the content. Later, contents have been finalized through brainstorming session. These contents are not mandatory for any industry, but you must refer to local authority if it is mandatory. Only appropriate content applicable to your organization may be implemented after discussion within your organization. There are some topic on which team has different opinion, but these information are also shared with you. Hence, you are recommended to discuss internally before final call on implementation. All these information are obtained from websites without validation of correctness. To some extent, we tried to obtain information from official sites of government and WHO. Convey a message to each and every that employee must start from home with prayer. It boosts positiveness and motivate everyone. God helps those who helps themselves. Awareness among team can lead to protection of all with new normal way to work. It starts from home with full protection. It is duty of each and every one citizen to follow all instructions from authority. You must not deviate any condition, in particular, maintaining social distance with each other, whether you are at work, or you are traveling, or you are at shop buying essential things, or any other public location, or at work location. It is also responsibility of employee to install our AKSHAR application in smartphone. You must do self-assessment after installation of this application and also keep Bluetooth and location sharing always on. If you disable these functions, application will not work correctly. You must carry company-provided original identity card along with full-sleeve uniform. Full-sleeve clothing is highly recommended. It protects skin from disinfection chemical if you pass through tunnel. You must wear mask always when you are out from home for any purpose. Ensure that either homemade mask or triple layer mask is used by you. If you are without mask, you may be punished by authority. Mask is an important PPE to protect you. But there are certain significant aspects associated with mask you must always be aware of. Always wear mask when you are out from home for any purpose. Do not exchange mask with others. Never use used mask as inner surface may be contaminated. Disinfect the mask before disposal. Dispose mask at dedicated bins only. If possible, cut the mask into 2 pieces. You will be at high risk of local transmission if you are not complying with such rules. Avoid traveling through public transport. As such, public transport has not allowed to resume. But avoid traveling through public transport if social distance is not maintained. You must submit a self-declaration to company. You must share your travel history, medical history, family history as well. It is your responsibility of everyone that, if you, or your family member, is be detected as COVID positive, you are obliged to share such information with company as well as authority. At your workplace, you must use PPE provided to you. Hence, it is very significant to use your own PPEs. If you are exchanging PPEs, you are at high risk of local transmission. Stop using helmet of others. Stop using safety shoes of others. Stop using safety goggles of others. It is responsibility of everyone at workplace to maintain social distance. Minimum distance of 2 meters, that is 6 feet, with each other is required. Signboards are required to placed, to remind frequently. Avoid gathering at workplace. You must not participate in large gathering. You must follow canteen schedule time for your area, and schedule time for exit, to avoid gathering. It is responsibility of employees to avoid gathering at any place of work, including change room. Time schedule is to be set in such a way that gathering at change room can be avoided. When you are at work, do not touch any object except personal belongings. There are many multi-touch points, for examples, stair railing, lift button, remote, electric switch, door handle, wash basin tap. Avoid touching these touch multi-points, and do sanitation or wash hand immediately, if you touch any such touch points. It is responsibility of employee to wash hand frequently, for 20 seconds duration, and ensure rub all sides of hand and fingers. Such signs are required to pasted at prompt locations like washroom facility. You must not do coughing, sneezing, in such a way that others are affected. You must dispose tissue paper at designated waste bin. You must wash hand, or use sanitizer, after coughing or sneezing. You must not do greeting by handshake. Always do greeting by Namaskar, an Indian way of greeting. Maintain social distance during greeting as well. Looking to current condition of uncertainty, if person is not able to come from red zone, you must be mentally ready to work for longer duration. It is more applicable to chemical industry, where continuous operation is significant. It is responsibility of employee to maintain list of contacted person. If you come in contact with any unknown, you must write complete details, including name, contact phone number and address. Looking to current situation, home-cooked food is more safe than canteen food. Canteen may serve delicious and hot food, but home-cooked food is more safe than canteen food. Do not share your food with others as well. If it is permitted, you must take food at your workstation only. You must not share your food with others as well. Please watch another video on safe canteen operation during COVID-19. At the end of day, it is responsibility of employee to clean own workstation. Do not expect that someone else to come and clean your workstation. Avoid allowing other to touch your workstation. You must report immediately if you find any symptoms of fever, cough, breathing problem. If these symptoms are appeared with his family members, employee must report to the organization. Once employee reaches at home, first important thing is to take shower without touching any object at home. It is also highly recommended not to repeat clothing. Hence, you must put your used clothing in washing after one use. You may visit our website for information on consultancy and training services. We also conduct online training as well. You may write suggestion or comment to us through email. We are called AKSHAR Management Consultant, based at Baroda.